spicy chicken sandwich. Add buttermilk into the bowl. Add pickle juice into the bowl. Add pink salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika into the bowl. Add Tabasco into the bowl. Add flour into the bowl. Add all the same seasonings I added to the other bowl into this bowl. Add the chicken into the hot oil. Add the butter into the pan. Yeah! Oh yeah! Add the buns into the pan. Add some of my special sauce on top. Add the chicken on top. Add a piece of cheese on top. Add some lettuce on top. Add a tomato on top. Add some pickles on top. Add the bun on top.
Oh, look at this.
I'm going to eat this now. Follow me for more videos. It is bussin'.